Hello, great viewers. As you can see, there is a 3 kVA on the generator. So this generator, the switch is not working. So I want to teach you guys how to change the switch of this generator. So I had to off it with this ignition switch. So we need to change the switch. The switch is bad. So firstly, we're going to remove the switch. So we're just going to remove the switch. The switch is kind of bad. It's bad. Yeah, we're going to change this. When the wire cell is not there again. So replace this with this. You can see. So right about now, let's test on the gen to test the new one. So this is a new switch we are making use of. So right about now, let's test it before we start it and say whether it's working well or not. So let's put on the gen. So that shows that this switch is working. So I have to off it through the switch and it's working fine. So if you have any question, please kindly drop a comment below. If you find this video helpful, please do it to subscribe to our channel. To subscribe is very important. Now is where it started now. So let's do the connection. So we're gonna connect this oil alert together. As you can see, so it can function if the oil is short. Yeah, the jam won't work. So let's try, I don't know, pack all these wires into one place so they won't be scattered anyhow. So that's the function of this one here. So to arrange the wire so I can be one place. So as you can see now, we're arranged well now. So let's put on the gen to test what we just done here. So it's on. So let's put on the gen. Yeah, as you can see now, we've changed the switch. So that's how to change the switch for a 2.8 kVA Honda generator. If you find this video, please do subscribe to our channel. We love you.